Hey everyone, welcome back to FreshenOPT Air Filter channel. Today we're changing the engine air filter on a 2024 Honda HRV. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a new cabin air filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean from dust and dirt. Step 1. Open the hood. Pull the hood release lever and then press the unlock latch under the hood cover by pushing it to the right. Step 2. Secure the hood with the support rod. Make sure it's stable before you start working. Step 3. Locate the engine air filter housing. It's usually a black plastic box near the engine. Step 4. Unclip the two fasteners on the housing cover. Gently lift the cover and remove the old air filter. Take a look at the old filter. It's full of dust and debris, which means it definitely needed replacement. Place the new engine air filter into the housing, making sure it fits snugly in place. Step 7. Close the housing cover and secure the clips back on. And that's it. The whole process takes less than a minute and requires no tools. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want the same OEM quality filter? Get it now at FreshenOPT to say, members save 10% for Life Plus free surprise kits. Link in description.